missing.
Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Hope you all are doing great. So today I want to show you how I make peanut butter, and I want to take you through step by step how I do it from start to the end. So stay tuned and let's see it. So I begin by frying or roasting my groundnuts. After sorting them, cleaning the packaging and so on, I now roast them, and as you can see there, I roast them until uh, they are dry or crunchy. Then after that, I let them cool on a large tray. So when they cool down, I begin removing the husks, or are they called the husks? Yeah, the upper coating, that upper coating. I use my hands to do that. Then after that, I of course have to winnow it off. Then I now put it in a clean container. So just watch till the end and hope you enjoy the video. So guys, as you can see, I've already cleaned up my groundnuts. Now I want to take them for grinding. So where I take them for grinding, they use a machine. It's an electric machine to grind it. I don't do it at home because I don't have it. Some people use a stone, but that is story for another day. So when you reach where they grind, they first measure.
So how many kilos?
A kilo. Yeah. So after measuring, pour it in. Then
Well, the weight has reduced.
I think you can see our peanut butter is ready, and I can't wait to get home and enjoy.
So,
1 butter is ready. I think you can see it is as you see. So this one you can use it for sauce, you can use it for bread, you can use it for now I want to scoop some and connect it up. By the way, it is also nice with banana. If you didn't know, you can just do this. Right. So I'll scoop some. Yeah, make it look. So now this one I'll keep it aside. So this one you can use it for bread also. So that is it for now. So that was it for now. At least I showed you how I do my peanuts. Leave a comment. Let me know how you do yours. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video. You want some bread? Huh? Did you even bite it?